हिंद कोरिया सिंपोजियम से वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी खिताब करें। आपको सीधा ले चलते हैं।
Target of $50 billion by 2030. Not just trade. In investment terms also, we are seeing a positive turn. And Korean investments into India have reached a cumulative figure of almost $6 billion. Friends, after my visit to Korea in 2015, we have launched a Korea-specific facilitation cell called Korea Plus to guide, assist, and handhold investors during the entire life cycle of the business. Hyundai, Samsung, LG Electronics have become trustworthy brands in India. And KIA is soon to join this club. Over 600 Korean companies have invested in India, and we aspire to welcome many more. And to ease your path, visa on arrival for Korean nationals has been put in place since October last year. We encourage the presence of Korean trade office in India. And I'm glad that we recently had the 6th office of Kotra open in Ahmedabad. That is my hometown. Let me tell you a little more about what is happening in India now. The fundamentals of our economy are sound. We are well set